Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I do have my little buddy Tommy in the video today. He might be walking around, you might see his little tail. Today I'm here to unbox the March 2023 Beauty Heroes box. I'm filming it on Saturday, March 4th, and I got the box yesterday on March 3rd, but I didn't have the energy to like open it and do it, more so to do a video and an unboxing last night, so I am doing it now. I think I saw a spoiler for this. I think that the box is Henné Organics. So let's just open it up and see. As you know, if you watch my channel, I don't actually open the box until I do it on film with you. So if it is Henné Organics, that'll be cool because I don't have anything from the brand. I've never used anything from the brand, and I am unfamiliar with it. So let's open it. It does say fragile, so. Yep, it is Henné. All right, cool. So, Beauty Heroes and Henné Organics. That's what the box looks like. Like I said, I'm excited. I don't know any of their products off the top of my head. The only thing I guess I've heard of is Heal. It's like a lotion or something. I actually don't even really know. I just remember people at one point saying they really liked it, I think. And I don't know any of their products, and I've never used them. So this is very cool. All right, this is exciting. It looks like we have 3 products. So it looks like we have Illumine face oil, a lip mask, and a luxury lip balm. I've heard, I think, about their lip balms, that they're like really nice. So I don't know. Let's see here. All right. So the Illumine face oil for 1 fluid ounce is $111 value. Look at the inside of the box. It's a nice presentation. I like that. Okay, that's a very expensive face oil. So it says they call it Liquid Splendor, and everything from the graceful twist and pop of the cap of the sun-drenched shimmer of the oil and warm, bright notes of berry, rose, ylang-ylang, and jasmine will convince you it's true. Illumine is not just another face oil, but a sensuous satin veil of skin brightening, smoothing, and softening actives, including a glow-giving blend of Nordic cloudberry, elderberry, and bearberry. Baobab, borage seed, and sea buckthorn oils restore and protect the skin barrier with essential fatty acids and antioxidants. A go-to for around-the-clock radiance, Illumine can be used as a natural highlighter on the temples, cheeks, and the high planes of the face, 4 to 7 drops, or all over the face, neck, and décolleté to achieve that glazed effect, 7 to 10 drops. Superpower ingredients are the cloudberry seed oil, elderberry seed oil, bearberry seed oil, baobab seed oil, borage seed oil, and sea buckthorn seed oil. Lots of different oils. Very unique box. Let's open it up and see what we have here. It's so fancy. Cool. It's even like lodged in this little circular thing. Illumine face oil. I think it says 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. Wow, it's so small I can actually not even make it out. Okay, that's what it looks like. It did say twist and pop or something of the way you open it, so. Is that what it said? Graceful twist and pop of the cap. Am I missing something? I don't know. This is what I got. Oh, I wonder, I think I'm supposed to, there's like a little, like a sticker on top. So maybe, all right, so maybe I'm supposed to do like fill it. User error here. Or like, all right. Oh, I think I just filled it when I did that. Okay. Sort of. Oh. Okay, that's how we get the oil out. Oh, I just dipped my nose right in it. Okay, let's see. That's what the oil looks like. Well, the smell is kind of, what's this? Berry, rose, ylang-ylang, and jasmine. I think it's jasmine. I swear jasmine is like a scent I do not love. Okay. All right, so I do smell jasmine. I put it on my hands and I think it was talking about it being like a shimmer and a glow giving, like a glow giving, and you can use it as a highlighter. At first observation, I don't see that it's like shiny or anything. I just put it on my hand here and I don't see anything noteworthy. Anyways, oof, I'm not a big fan of the scent. But I guess, you know, it'll be nice to try the oil as like a face oil. I always love good face oil, even if the scent is not my favorite. We know that I've been using a Lil Fox Acid Glow, which is like jasmine scented, like suffocating jasmine, and someday I'll actually finish it. But I still use things, even if I don't love the scent usually. Okay, anyways, so that's that. I enjoy a good face oil, but I do have to say the scent is kind of not my favorite. This is kind of cool, like you close it and then it pops, I guess, and that's how it fills the little dropper thing with like that amount. So that's cute. That's like a different, I've actually never seen a dispenser like that. Okay, it says these are good for 12 months after opening. Okay, let's keep moving along. Lip mask. 0.5 ounces, $37 value. It says a literal pot of gold. This lip mask may look modest on the outside, but twist the cap and you'll experience a burst of bright color and invigorating citrus that lights up all of your senses. Sea buckthorn, evening primrose, avocado, rosehip, pomegranate, and cranberry seed oils, to name just a few, form the buttery base of this rejuvenating mask. Chosen for their nourishing and replenishing properties, these oils restore hydration and essential nutrients for plump, pillow-soft lips. Black cumin, used by Egyptian royalty to promote suppleness, give lips extra cushion. A mini spa treatment in a jar, it's simple to make lip masking a daily indulgence. Superpower ingredients are rosehip seed oil, evening primrose seed oil, sea buckthorn seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, cranberry seed oil, and black cumin seed oil. Lip mask. I think they have like a lip oil in like a tube or something that I've heard people rave about. All right, so, oh yeah, this says 9 months. So I don't know why on there it says 12 months, but that's what the jar looks like. Oh, wow, I'm really like, I gotta slow down with sticking my face into things. So that's what that looks like. I like the smell, I think. You can't really see anything, but I actually just put lipstick on. I'll have to test this out. It does smell good. I have to say, like, a lip scrub or a lip mask in a, this is, what am I opening here? Okay, this is the lip mask. Lip mask, and then a luxury lip balm. Okay, so I guess, that's kind of interesting. A lip mask. So it's like, I thought it was like a lip scrub. It's a mask you like put on as if you're doing a face mask. So now I guess maybe when I face mask, like when I mask, I can do something special on my lips too with this. Smell is nice. I like the smell much better on this. So I don't love like lip balms or anything like in pots. I definitely prefer things in a stick instead, but whatever. All right, and the last thing is a luxury lip balm, which is 0.32 ounces. I have to sit up straight, for $22 value. It says healthy habits are at the heart of the simplified life. Making luxury lip balm the first and last product you use each day is a beautiful habit to begin. Made with 99% organic butters and oils, including coconut, avocado, shea, cacao, and jojoba. This creamy butter is free of scent, essential oils, and heavy waxes that can create sticky buildup. The LBD, little black dress, of lip balms. It's delivered in a little black pot, easy to carry with you wherever you go, or set at your vanity or nightstand for effortless care. It's a little luxury you'll never want to live without. Superpower ingredients are coconut oil, beeswax, avocado oil, shea butter, cacao seed butter, jojoba seed oil. That's what it looks like. Oops, I ripped the box, but not a big deal. All right, so it said scentless, so I'm still gonna smell it. Okay, it is scentless. And seems good. Okay. I don't think I'm hugely excited about this box. Yeah, this box, I am gonna have to use it for the month to see what I think. But my first impressions are the face oil. I will definitely enjoy using and trying, but I don't love the scent. So that takes away, like, if this was some like beautifully scented face oil, I think I'd be a lot more excited, because you know me, and like scent is like my favorite thing. So the scent of it smelling like jasmine is kind of like the first thing that kind of makes me, you know, not too excited. And then we have these two lip products, a lip mask and a lip balm. I think I would have rather gone for like a cleanser, a toner, a body oil, a body lotion. Like, I think something maybe not related to the lips. I will say they don't do much related to the lips, so it's unique, but like, I don't know, I'm just kind of okay with like using lip balm versus like needing luxury lip balm or lip masks and stuff. And I feel like these two products are like very similar, lip balm, lip mask, that I just feel like one or the other would have been fine, maybe not both. So we'll have to see what I think after the month of using them, but I'd love to know what you guys think of the box. And like your thoughts if you've used Henné Organics, what you think of them, like if you have similar thoughts about this box, or if you're super excited, or whatever your thoughts are. Would love to chat below as always. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when the next video comes out. And hopefully my next video will be an update on my Project Pan of my first 2 months of it. And then a future video will be hopefully a review of this box at the end of March after using these products for a month. So thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.